Right on YouTube. First try, and this cube made by Polaroid started recording. Anyway, made this stand for my bench grinder out of spare parts. A friend of mine gave me this wheel drum. Tech school I was going to gave me this piece of pipe and this little piece of metal. So now I have a stand. Slowly but surely. Down and dirty job. Soon this piece will be used as a cap for my lock splitter hydraulic fluid reservoir. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me an thumbs up button or whatever we're supposed to do.